You mean to tell me it's 2026?
And you still don't know how to take care of your curly hair?
Well, no need to worry because this is exactly what I'm here for. I want to start a series where I basically hold your hand and teach you everything I know about my curls and curls in general in order for you guys to have a better understanding of your curly hair. And in today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to style your curly hair. You're going to need a spray bottle, a detangling brush, and a styling brush is optional. Just a heads up, you shouldn't be detangling with a styling brush. You're going to make things complicated. You'll need clips like these to section your hair and maybe a parting comb. And of course, your styling products. A bit of advice, when you're a beginner, make sure you leave yourself enough time to style your hair. You don't want to be stressing yourself out. First things first, we're going to start on soaking wet hair. Let me tell you, when they asked Zendaya what does she use for her hair, and she said, water. I know, it's crazy. I know, it's crazy. She was not over-exaggerating. Water is the key element Next, here. We're going to go in with our styling products, and I'm using Flora & Curl today. This is Flora & Curl's Style Activating Lotion. And guys, let me save you so much time and tell you something I wish I knew sooner. Usually, curly hairlines give you one product that helps bring your curls to life. In this case, it's the Curl Activating Lotion. I'm learning that any product that has style or curl in the title works wonders for my curls, okay? So as you will have seen, I've applied the lotion all over my hair just to avoid my hair from drying out during the styling process, and then I just go in with some more water and some more curl lotion. I make sure the product is evenly distributed all over my hair and I just brush it through to help this. And now I go in with Flora & Curl's Curl Activating Gel. I'm a bit more light-handed with the gel, and this is, again, another thing I wish I knew sooner. The curl cream is gonna curl your hair. The styling gel is basically going to set the curls in place. But the reason I'm light-handed with the gel is because I find when my hair dries, my hair tends to flake, and it's just not cute. You don't want to have white flakes or dust flying about the place anytime you shake your hair. Another important thing is when you're styling your curly hair, you want the products to be seeping through your curly hair. As you can see, when I'm brushing my hair now, nothing is coming through. So of course, I'm going in with my spray water bottle because water is important, as I mentioned before. And look how the product is seeping through my hair. That is the key here. When you're styling your hair, you want your hair to be saturated. You want your hair to be completely hydrated. Curly hair is naturally porous, so it dries out so much easier than any other hair type, and you want it hydrated. Water is your best friend. And lastly, I have Flora & Curl's Curl Volumizing Foam. And mousse is absolutely optional in my styling routine today. Of course, I use gel already, but one thing I love about mousse is it gives a nice light hold. So of course, if you want more of a voluminous look and less of a strong hold, you can always opt for mousse, but I do prefer a strong hold. And what you're seeing now is how I style my hair, basically to avoid a middle part. I don't know what happened, guys, because I swear a few years ago, everybody was into a middle part, but it slowly just died out, and I feel like by 2025, it's just disappeared. But yeah, this is a tried and tested method. It works. But of course, if you're anything like me and you wore middle parts for years on end, there is some kind of, your hair just learned to sit that way. So I have to go back in at some point and just fix that up. But yeah, this is how my hair is looking, fully styled. And another tip for you guys, I just find when I do this with a cotton t-shirt or a microfiber hair towel, my hair dries so much quicker. And of course, before I diffuse my hair, I'm just going in with my Tresemme heat protectant spray. But guys, I have to admit, I have no clue what I'm gonna call this series. I just know that I've wanted to start it for the longest, so this is just my pilot episode, guys. So if you like this, make sure to leave a like and a follow and stay tuned for more. But if you have any questions as well or any type of video that you want to see, make sure to leave it in the comments. But yeah, this is my hair fully styled and about 80% dry. This is how I do my hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you later.